Previously on Gunpla note. And this will be first taping process, and we will paint the yellow and the red. Because some edges may lose before you do the painting, so the best way is to go back to like press it, make it firm before you do the painting. Hello everybody, this is Arsenal. So today we're continue our direct approach, and the for the great part, which is the chest and the armor. The bazooka, giant bazooka. I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna use the gunmetal instead of gray color, because what it looks to me like in the gaming, it's just like the raw metal without the any paint on top of it. So I think the metallic color will be better for us to use, and we can also try to do something differently. Remember, we used the enamel paint to do the panel lines. This time we can try to like thin it down a little bit more and do the wash. So yeah, so this time we're just trying like all different kinds of different that the wash, the dry brush. They are all part of the weathering techniques. So yeah, I think I will do it. And the another thing about the inner armor, you see, I think I don't want to paint it like there in the instruction manual like that red, because what happened is it is inside the armor and it's beneath it. So I think yeah, I'll just like to keep it that way, because you cannot really see all the color in the shading area, and there's like different kinds of color, and this the black is obviously darker than the original is purple, but in the shading, you see, if it is in the shading, it cannot tell that much difference. So yeah, I think I won't. If you really like to be like a really bright, vivid red, you can do another layer and cover over it, and they can probably get the it's probably like that, the pretty thick layer. But I think I'll pass, because it's in the shading area, so it will be like a little bit redundant for me to go over again and paint it like a really red, and it looks kind of fake to me now. Like yeah, I don't like the outcome they have right here. So yeah, I think I'll just skip it. And the on the shoulder place is obviously brighter, but well, the lights can go in, so it makes sense. I mean, just thinking about the light logic, so that makes my decision to leave it like that. Not because I'm too lazy or something. No, obviously not. Alright, let's just get started. Alright, now we have finished the direct approach for the gunmetal and black. Even though I'm pretty sure theoretically they won't like leave their chest piece like that, they roll on paint metal. But yeah, I'm just trying to practice our like wash technique. So yeah, I don't give a damn. I just leave it like on paint and let it give it a pretty beat up, rusted look, and compared to our painted like black, I just use the normal panel line, so you can tell the difference between the wash technique and the panel line. Because I told you before, when we use the panel line, we can do a similar effect as wash, but there's still I want to show there's still like a difference between these two techniques. And also we're gonna use some dry brushes technique on the edges, so looks like the paint is floating off from the metal, you know. So yeah, this will be a very exciting, interesting piece. And yeah, that's all for today's session. If you enjoyed this, please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.